In the vast expanse of the universe, a magnetic force flows through every particle, infusing it with life energy. This hidden power, though often unnoticed, is an intrinsic part of our existence. The foundation of this exploration lies in the profound understanding that air, often perceived as an empty space, is far from void. It is composed of essential elements vital for sustaining life. Furthermore, air carries magnetic energy, sourced from the radiant sun and other celestial bodies. This magnetic energy plays a pivotal role in the cyclic changes of seasons, a consequence of the sun and planets' rotations and revolutions. Intriguingly, air possesses the ability to transmit various programs and vibrations individually, even when they intertwine. Imagine the air as a cosmic conductor, orchestrating a symphony of unseen energies. Each vibration carries its unique signature, and yet they coalesce seamlessly. These vibrations, which extend far beyond the audible range of human perception, become an integral part of the magnetic field surrounding us. It's a magnetic tapestry, intricately woven with the threads of these vibrational programs. These emanations form a complex network, an interconnected web of energies that interweave with our very being. This transformative energy is not a mere abstraction or poetic metaphor, but a tangible reality, ever-present and omnipresent. It permeates the air around us, saturating the environment with its subtle yet potent influence. These vibrations propagate through the atmosphere, shaping the energetic landscape we inhabit. The magnetic field, fueled by these vibrational currents, emerges as a dynamic force, constantly in flux. It is a living, breathing entity, intimately connected to the magnetic powers of the sun and other celestial entities. The sun, our celestial nucleus, radiates its magnetic essence, infusing the solar winds with transformative energy. These winds, like cosmic messengers, carry the sun's magnetic gifts, intertwining with Earth's magnetic field to create a celestial dance that governs our existence. As we explore the enigmatic realm of the human body, we discover that we harbor our own magnetic fields. At the core of our existence, a subtle yet powerful force interweaves with our being, shaping the very fabric of who we are. This realization opens a gateway to understanding the profound connection between our thoughts, emotions, and attitudes with the magnetic essence that defines us. Our magnetic fields are intricately woven with the threads of consciousness. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel, and every attitude we hold creates ripples within this magnetic tapestry. Like brushstrokes on an ever-changing canvas, our mental and emotional landscape paints a vibrant portrait that shapes the trajectory of our lives. Herein lies a critical point. Maintaining the integrity of these magnetic fields is of paramount importance. The alignment of our thoughts and emotions determines the harmony of our magnetic resonance. Dissonance in this magnetic field can lead to an array of challenges, from physical ailments to emotional turbulence. By ensuring mental, emotional, and physical well-being, our magnetic fields can act as a protective shield against infections, facilitate wound healing, and exhibit the astonishing capability to compensate for missing body parts. Our magnetic nature holds the potential for miraculous transformations, an untapped power within. Energy Sustenance unveils a captivating understanding of life's vitality, intricately connected to the celestial dance of the sun. The radiant star at the center of our solar system becomes the source from which life's vigor emanates. Through a mysterious energy tube, this cosmic essence finds its way into our bodies, coursing through our very being like a river of divine sustenance. Picture the sun as a cosmic cauldron, brewing a potent elixir of energy that nourishes all living beings on Earth. This mesmerizing energy becomes an indispensable lifeline, sustaining the heartbeat of existence itself. From the vibrant flora to the sentient creatures that roam the lands, all draw upon this celestial nectar to fuel their journey through life. Our connection to the sun is primal and profound, as if an ancient memory reminds us of our interdependence with the cosmos. This life-giving energy forms the essence of our magnetic nature, intertwining with our energetic web, which in turn shapes our experiences and perceptions of reality. However, the integrity and potency of our magnetic fields can be jeopardized by factors both within and beyond our control. Breaking the cosmic rules set in motion by the divine intelligence can lead to a weakening of our energetic lifeline. The profound interconnection between human actions and the magnetic field is unveiled. Like a symphony orchestrated by the cosmos, each part of our body possesses its magnetic field, resonating with the harmonies of the universe. This symphony of energies forms the foundation of our well-being, as the survival of these individual units is intrinsically contingent upon the energy they receive. When our magnetic fields are vibrant and balanced, we experience a state of optimal health and vitality. Energy flows freely, nourishing every cell and organ with life force, ensuring the smooth functioning of our physical and mental faculties. In this state of alignment, we are more resilient to illnesses, and our bodies become a temple of well-being. However, any disruption in this magnetic symphony can lead to far-reaching consequences. A disturbance in our magnetic fields can diminish our vitality and leave us vulnerable to illnesses and infections. The intricate web of energies within us is delicately interwoven, and any disharmony can have cascading effects on our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. The preservation of the integrity of our magnetic fields becomes a sacred responsibility, not only for our individual benefit, but also for the well-being of the collective. When each individual strives to maintain their energetic resonance in harmony with the cosmic symphony, the collective consciousness elevates to new heights of understanding and unity. Adhering to the laws of nature, bestowed upon us by the divine intelligence that pervades the cosmos, becomes paramount in safeguarding the sanctity of our magnetic essence. The ancient wisdom of indigenous cultures and spiritual teachings resonates with this understanding, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life and the significance of living in harmony with the natural rhythms of the universe. Every particle, from the smallest subatomic particle to the most massive celestial body, is infused with life energy. This divine essence weaves an intricate tapestry of interconnectedness that reverberates throughout the cosmos. It is a symphony of energies, an eternal dance of oneness, where all life is bound by the threads of unity. In this symphony of interconnection, the significance of maintaining our energy field becomes evident. The magnetic essence within us becomes more than just a physical force. It transforms into a moral compass, guiding our actions and shaping our destinies. The understanding of our magnetic nature as a moral compass is rooted in the profound wisdom of ancient spiritual teachings and philosophies. Just as a compass points to true north, our magnetic fields align with the cosmic rhythm of virtue, integrity, and love. When we honor this intrinsic alignment, we tap into a wellspring of higher consciousness, ushering us towards a path of enlightenment and wisdom. Our magnetic fields become a reflection of the state of our consciousness. When we embrace positive attitudes, compassionate actions, and ethical principles, our magnetic resonance vibrates with harmonious frequencies. This symphony of virtues not only enhances our own well-being, but also contributes to the greater good of humanity. Conversely, harmful deeds and attitudes that compromise the common good or contravene moral principles disrupt the harmony of our magnetic field. These negative energies create dissonance within us, affecting our physical, mental, and emotional health. We are called to embrace harmony with nature, protect our magnetic fields from negative influences, and take full responsibility for maintaining balance and equilibrium. Our actions shape the destiny of our magnetic fields, and by upholding integrity, we can unlock the hidden power within us, ushering security, survival, and world peace. The journey to unlocking human energy transformation has just begun, and it is through this understanding that we can fully harness the magnificent power within ourselves and embrace the interconnectedness that binds us to the cosmos.